Hey everybody, welcome to Shopping with Shana. It is time to bring you a Kroger 3-day sale that starts today as I'm making this video. It is Saturday, June the 20th, and we'll go through Monday, June the 22nd of 2026. We have some really, really hot deals that you're not going to want to miss out on. I know probably most of you did your big shopping haul yesterday on Friday with 4 times the fuel points, but this is going to make you want to step back into the store just to grab a couple of items. Now, before we jump into this, do me a huge favor. Please hit that subscribe button, ring the notification bell, hit all so you don't miss any of the videos that I post, and let's jump into this. So during this look at this 3-day sale, I want to just take a couple of notes. In the far left-hand side of your screen, that row that you see or column that you see with the 3-day sale, that is my region. That is the greater Cincinnati, Kentucky, Northern Kentucky region of Kroger. So if you're living within my region, that is going to be the sale items for you. But there's another one that I kind of take a look at and I kind of keep tabs on just to do compare and contrast between regions. This is a Texas region. And so some of you may or may not have these particular items. The differences are very few. There's one big difference in the fact that the Texas region has one more item than I do, but the price point on the grapes, which we'll talk about here in a second, is quite different between regions, unfortunately. So needless to say, even if you are not in either one of these regions, you may want to double check your 3-day sale just to make sure that price points are the same or maybe they're different. And also if there is an extra participating item or maybe there's a missing item, who knows? So not all sale regions are the same. Hopefully that's clear as mud. I feel like I confused that. Anyway, we have the red, green, or black seedless grapes. In my region, they're about $2.59 per pound, which it says it's about going to be $5.18 with that particular per pound price. However, we're getting these for $1.88 per pound on the 3-day sale. Don't have to do anything. You don't have to clip any digital coupons or do anything special. All you have to do is go to the store sometime during those 3 days, grab yourself a bag of these grapes, and then head to checkout, and it will bring up $1.88 per pound. Now, in the Texas region, I didn't put any extra graphics on here, but they do get the same exact deal, the red, green, or black seedless grapes, but for a different price point. It's $1.49 per pound, which is a much better deal. So I'm a little jealous of you, Texas, but you're getting a better deal on the grapes. But either way, we're both getting the grapes on this 3-day sale. Okay. We're going to skip the sausage for now. I'll be right back about that. But let's look at the Coke products, Coca-Cola products. They're the 24-pack of cans, 12 fluid ounce of cans. They're going to be $8.99 in both regions. And I know they had to do the pictures different. Not sure why, but they're going to be $8.99. Now, regularly priced, they're $16.99. They are on sale this week for $12.99, which, by the way, one pack of the 12-pack is $11.99 regular price. And then they're on sale. The 24-pack is on sale for $12.99. So even if you don't buy this on a 3-day sale, if you wait till Tuesday, it is still a better deal to pay $1 more and get 12 more sodas. Just keep that in mind. Okay, so needless to say, $16.99 down to $12.99, but you're going to only pay $8.99 from Saturday, Sunday, and Monday, which is awesome. So do make sure that you head to the store to grab these if you're a Diet Coke fan like me, or if you're just a Coke fan. Now, also take note that they do limit how many you can purchase in one transaction. It says no more than 5 packages per transaction or per visit, I guess you should say. I wouldn't show up to the checkout lane with 10 of them and then do 2 transactions. I would get 5 and then come back to the store later, or go to a different store and get another 5 if you're really wanting to stock up. I've done that before. When it's Coca-Cola, 2 liters. I'm really struggling with words today. The 2-liter bottles, when they're $1.49 or less, I will go to multiple stores. I will do that and stock up because I feel like I'm not breaking rules. I'm following the rules. I'm doing them at different stores. So that's just me. Anyway, so that's an option for you. All right. The next deal that we have is on the Doritos. So these are $2.49 for this 3-day sale, but they're regularly priced at $5.49 per bag. There is zero possible way I'd ever pay $5.50 for a bag of Doritos. Like, no way. So $2.49 is a much better price point. It's over 50% off. Now, a couple weeks ago, we were getting 4 for $1.99 each. You did have to buy 4 of them to get that price point. So you were still spending about $8, but you were getting 4 bags. This one equals out. If you did 4 bags, you'd be about $10 on that. So again, it's not the best deal, but it's still a good deal. Nonetheless, it's better than paying $5.49. By the way, has anyone tried the late night Doritos? I'm just curious about them. They say they're hot honey pizza flavored. And I'm not going to lie, the reason why I think they're late night is because they'll give you heartburn and you'll stay up all night. I don't know. They look scary to me. I don't like spicy anyway, so I'm probably not going to try them. But let me know in the comments if you've tried them and what you think about the late night Doritos. I don't know. That's interesting there. So there you go. Do you make sure that you stop in the store and grab your bags of Doritos, whether they're hot and spicy or not? All right, the reason why I wanted to come back to the dinner sausage is because there might be a digital coupon out there that you can pair with this particular deal. So Kroger dinner sausage is regularly priced for the ground sausage, it's $4.29. And for the Italian sausage, it's $5.49, but it's on sale for $4.99. Anyway, with a 3-day sale, both of them are $3.99 each. And check your digital coupons. I have a 70-cent off one best customer bonus digital coupon. Not everybody's going to have this coupon, so do keep that in mind, but double check and see if you happen to have it. If you do, you could pay as low as $3.29 for one of these, which is a nice little bit of savings there. So it makes it even cheaper. Now, something that I definitely like to do, of course, we always like the sausage where you can make them like a bratwurst or type. I guess I don't know if that's considered a brat, but we like to grill them, right? But the ground sausage, something I really like to do is I will buy 2 of the Italian sausages, cook them up, and then make like pasta with pasta sauce and everything, and then put that in there. Oh, it is so good. And it will, like, if you make 1 box of pasta and I like to put 2 of the meats in there just because I like a lot of meat. But if you don't like a lot of meat, 1 of them would be fine. um, then you've probably got food, depending on your family size, for multiple days. I'm a family of 5, and I could literally feed my kids on this multiple times. I also like to get like mozzarella shredded cheese and put it on top of it. It's so good. Anytime I get tasked with feeding the youth group, which is pretty regularly, like once a quarter, I usually 4 times a year, I tend to make this meal just because I can make so much of it and not spend an arm and a leg. I'm probably going to pick up a couple of the ground sausages and throw them in the freezer for the next time I get asked to make that meal. But I might also pick up a couple of the regular sausages so that we can cook it on the grill. All right, so the next item that is going to be found on this 3-day sale also might get you into the store. I definitely am interested in this. So a gallon of milk is regularly priced, at least in my region, at $3.09, which has gone up. It was $2.89, and then a year ago it was $2.49. So it has gone up quite a bit. So it's not all the way down to the $2.49, but it is $2.69. So it's kind of in between what it used to be and then what it used to be again. And so it's not a bad price point there. I don't know about limiting. It does say a limit of 5 packages. It seems like a lot of milk to have to store and keep cold if you're buying more than 5. But I guess there are some people that do that. So anyway, up to 5 of them that you can grab, but they're going to be $2.69. So great deal there. And one more deal I wanted to share with you, and this is not for my region, and that's unfortunate. We have the Michelob Ultra and the Modelo cans. They're 24-pack or 30-pack of beer, obviously. So I did spot the Modelo. I didn't look up the Michelob Ultra, so I'm going to assume it's about the same price point, but I'm not sure. Anyway, the Modelo is $35.99 for a 24-pack. It is going to be $26.99, but it also says in Texas that's the current sale price. So I don't know about that. And that is from Texas. Like that, I looked that all up there. So that kind of cracks me up. Anyway, $26.99, good bit of savings for you there on the beer if you're interested in that. Obviously, that's not something that we're getting here in Northern Kentucky, but it's okay because I don't drink anyway. So at least for me, maybe not for you. All right, guys, it is finally the end of this video. I'm just making a short, quick little video just to remind you of all the great deals you can pick up in the 3-day sale. But we do have this free Kroger ice cream that we were able to get on Friday. It was available to clip on noon on Eastern time, and I actually forgot about it. And about 1:30 is when I jumped on there to clip it. It was still available. So I did actually get my free ice cream for my account and for my dad's account. So I'm just curious, after watching my Friday video, me warning you about the freebie, did you get your free ice cream cream. Okay. So hopefully you're able to clip it. Let me know in the comments if you're able to clip it. And then what free ice cream do you plan to get? Let me know in the comments which one you plan to get. So did you get your freebie? Let me know. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful rest of your weekend. If you're watching this on Saturday or Sunday, but if you're on Monday, enjoy your week, guys. I will see you later. So have a wonderful Father's Day is coming up on Sunday. So happy Father's Day to all of you fathers out there, and get them free ice cream. That's what you could do. If you got your free ice cream, you can get it for the father. There you go. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye, guys.